Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Plumbing Employee Shift Scheduling Database template.
So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll up a ways here, and you're going to want to go to our appointment and scheduling section. At the very bottom here, you're going to want to select the Access Plumbing Employee Scheduling Database. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are currently running on. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once it downloads, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to just go ahead and extract all that file. So go ahead and extract that. Once you've extracted that, go ahead and open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or a warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open this database template. And as always, with all of our database templates, you get a pop-up box that also shows the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this for now. So this is a plumbing employee scheduling database, like I said earlier. So what this is good for is if you need to keep track of your employees' schedule and implement schedules into this system so they are able to see their schedules. However, if you like this database template and you don't own specifically like a plumbing company, you own a different type of company, contact Winning Solutions Inc. and we can customize this database template to be compatible for any company that you have or run. So to get started here, we're just going to enter employee schedule defaults. Now, as you can see here, the current defaults, for some reason when you open this, is 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. That is weird times, I know. I'm just going to go ahead and keep that though. I am going to change it to Blake for the staff. And so since it is starting in the evening and ends the next morning, it does end the time the next day. So that is why these checkboxes are checked. And what we're going to do is we're going to start date, we're going to make it today, and we're going to make it a week long. So we're going to go to the 5th of January. Work type, we're going to say schedule time. Location, location 1. And we'll just keep the color for now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit create schedules. So your batch of scheduled entries have been created. So now you click OK. You go to the calendar view. Now if I go to this monthly view, all these schedules have been created. Now you will notice that some of them have double times. Now if you just double click this, you'll see that since it is 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., the previous day is going to end at 6 a.m. So then, since this is, which day is this? This is Wednesday. What did we start? We started on Tuesday. Oh, so we started on Tuesday at 6 p.m. and it's going to go to 6 a.m. So it goes from 6 p.m. It goes past 12 p.m. So you go to the next day, and if you look up here, it ends at 6 a.m. Then you have that long gap, and then you start working again at 6 p.m. You go on to the next day at 6 a.m., etc. So that is why there's multiple entries on some days. And then since this day is Saturday and we went a week long, obviously that is, you only work once because you don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. And you only work until Saturday at 6 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And as you can see, you could also import and export schedules that you already have created in potentially another database. So that would be pretty cool to implement it into this. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize the template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.